first thing I'm going to do is fold my paper. I'm only going to paint on 1/2 of my paper. Now I'm left-handed, so I'm going to pick up my paintbrush and I'm going to keep the left side of my paper down and the right side is up. And I'm just going to do one step at a time. I'm going to use my right hand here just to hold my paper, and I'm going to think about the head. And then I'm going to close it and rub it. Then I might think about a detail on the head. My antennas. So I'm only going to do a little bit of detail at a time because I don't want the paint to dry. Now, insects have a head and then a thorax. Again, remember, I'm only going to paint on the left side. So I'm going to go ahead and make my thorax. I'm going to close it. And I'm going to make my abdomen. And there were some really lovely patterns. I can think about the legs. Again, I'm only going to paint on my left side. And I'm only going to do a little bit at a time because I don't want it to dry. I want to make sure it transfers. And I don't mind if it's got a little bit of a washed out look to it. I kind of like that look. So I'm not going to worry about the value. That's kind of a difference in value. Make my third leg. Maybe I'll make like a little foot. But each time I paint a little bit, then I'm going to fold it over. So I'm only painting on 1/2. Now, I did miss that part, so I can go back and rub that. And I can kind of tell that I'm picking it up as I rub too. There, that's better. Now, there were some really lovely examples with patterns, things like spots. Nice. And things with stripes. And there were some cool antennas with kind of like little, almost look like eyelashes. Very nice, cool. Now, before I forget, I'm gonna put my name on my paper. And I'm gonna let this dry. So this will go on the drying rack.